Hello, Rob Sensei here. In December's workshops for the intermediate lessons, we are going to look at this article, which is about a legendary chef in Japan who is still working at 100 years old. Now, this month, we are not going to be talking about sushi chefs and working per se. However, we are going to shift the conversation towards whether or not it's important to find the perfect job and how that actually affects our life and our lifestyles. So I teach a lot around jobs and business, but particularly purpose in life. And I'm wondering what you guys think about how connected it is to have a purposeful job or a job that you love in order to live a long, happy, and healthy life. So that's going to be the crux of this topic for December. Now, I will shift to the reading now. So the reading says, Japan's legendary sushi chef still working at 100. A famous sushi chef in Japan has decided to continue working, even though he just turned 100. His name is Jiro Ono. He celebrated his 100th birthday on the 27th of October. He is one of around 4,380 people in Tokyo who have reached or will reach the age of 100 this year. Just before his birthday, Mr. Ono spoke to Tokyo Governor Yuriko Koike. She asked him about his secrets to living a long and healthy life. He replied, "To work." He said, "I can no longer go to my restaurant every day, but even at 100 years old, I'll try to work if possible. I believe the best medicine is to work." Ono-san said he has no plans to retire from his job. He told Miss Koike, "I plan to keep going for about 5 more years." Jiro Ono was born in 1925. He started working in a restaurant at the age of 7. 18 years later, when he was 25, he moved to Tokyo and worked in a sushi bar. He qualified as a sushi chef in 1951. 15 years later, in 1965, Ono opened his own restaurant called Sukiyabashi Jiro. It was a tiny 10-seat place in an upmarket area of Tokyo called Ginza. He worked for decades trying to make the perfect sushi. In 2007, his efforts were rewarded when he received 3 stars in the Michelin Guide. In 2011, a documentary about him was released called Jiro Dreams of Sushi. In the film, he said, "I haven't reached perfection yet. I'll continue to climb and try to reach the top, but nobody knows where the top is." So, as usual, we have the vocabulary that I'd like you to check for pre-work. In lesson, we will go through true or false, synonym, phrase match, listening, checking, and we can check the gap fill as well. But I want to focus on this question. It's about the perfect job, and also I want to think about what we can do as adults or parents or teachers or educators to help children find their perfect jobs. And is that meaningful? Is it necessary for a happy, long, healthy life? So that is December's content and topic. I hope you can enjoy the pre-work, and I'm looking forward to seeing you all in lesson soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.